Nice day to you. Today, we share with you for the Taos800 Dental Unit upgrade version. There are 4 points difference. First, for the short cushion is not working now in the market. 30% of the patient's leg will be outside of the chair. So we made the dental chair cushion longer. Now, the sitting cushion is 5.5 cm longer and 1.5 cm wider. And for the backrest, both of the height and width 3 cm bigger. So the complete cushion is 2 meters. To matching this long cushion, the metal frame and the plastic, we make it into bigger too. And for the metal frame is produced by our factory, so we can control the metal thickness and the weight more heavier. And the joints working by better way, adding cleaning system to the chair, which remove the debris and dirty things inside the drainage tube and remove the bad smell from the clinic. Even drive the clinic main drainage daily. 4 eyes operation lamp now we made 2 by 2, yellow and white. But now 2 bulbs intensity is same as before 4 bulbs. Operation change from injection mode, much stronger than before. At the end, we wanted to supply a dental chair according to the dentist's real need. And finally, we will focus on our dental chair. Thank you. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe to this channel. See you next time.